it's Jeannie. Welcome to 70'S. I have been so excited to start this video and channel for y'all. I feel like I've waited forever to post this video even though it's only been 2 days. So me and my family, we are really passionate about guitars, mainly Fender, but we also restore musical gear. And we're always online shopping. And 2 days ago, we found a sale online for a Stratocaster 1970s copy with no name on the headstock. We were thinking there was a chance that the body was real, so we messaged the seller and asked for more pictures just to confirm, and hopefully it was real. So this is the picture that we received. But in the picture, we could tell that it wasn't authentic, so we had to pass. After we passed, he messaged us again and told us about another guitar that he had. And when we got the picture, we were so excited and so anxious, and we were just hoping that it was real. Now, here is the Stratocaster. Now, the second guitar that we got the picture of, we assumed was a vintage duosonic 1960s, 1970s with a vintage aftermarket neck. When we got the pictures, we could tell that it had a lot of wear and tear. So let's dig into this body cavity and see what she shows us. Let's skip the boring part. So excited. Okay, 81028. Oh my gosh. 3/4 June 62A. That means that this is real. This is 100% original. Can you believe that? Oh my gosh. The logo must have just peeled away on this from old age. It's been what, 56, 57 years? Oh my gosh. I am so anxious and so excited to start cleaning this up and fixing it and testing it out and seeing how great it sounds. Why don't you check back in next video with an update of the guitar, and who knows, maybe you could be the next owner. Quick update on this Stratocaster 1970s copy. In the middle of filming this, we actually sold it.